Hi, welcome to LDM Graphics channel. In this video, we are going to see the photo manipulation in Photoshop. We are going to use this image as an background. We are going to remove the background of the second image, convert to layers. Right now it is in Smart Object. Using the quick selection tool, select the subject. Now it has been selected. Select and mask. In the view panel, change to overlay option. Now the subject has been selected in the red color. Using the refine edge brush tool, we are going to subtract the unwanted subjects. Right now the matte is the unwanted selected area. It has been selected in the red color. We need to remove the unwanted selection in the matte. Using quick selection tool, we are subtracting the images. See, the unwanted subject has been removed using the subtraction tool. For better result, zoom the image. Reduce the size of the brush tool so you will get the better results. You can cross check the subject whether any unselected object is been selected. If you want to add means you can using the plus sign you can add. If you want to remove means there you can subtract. You can cross check using the in the view mode. You can change to black and white mode. You can increase the smooth value. Here we have unwanted white has been selected here. If you see it in black and white mode only, you can able to view if any unwanted selection is there means you can remove it here itself. Increase the contrast value also. Then OK, click OK. You can see the selection part. Select the mask, select and mask, and the output has to be layer mask. Now we have got the clear image without the background. Next step is we have to match the color. Select the hue saturation in blending options. Match the color with the background. Either you can reduce or increase the value. I think this point is fine for us. Then we have to change the blending mode options to black and white. Now along with the background image, the layer mask current also has been changed to black and white, so we don't want this effect. We need to change only the selected girl alone. We have to change. We don't want to disturb the background image, so I'm going to create a clipping mask for the blending modes. So first I'm going to take the blending mode. I'm converting the black and white and hue saturation blending modes into clipping mask. Whatever blending mode has been applied, now it has been affected only to the woman. We have to adjust the brightness and contrast of the image. Once you are happy with the brightness and contrast, click OK, and then we have to add a solid fill color. Whichever color is fine for you, you can select the color. Right now I am going to select for light blue. And I am going to change the color fill to overlay. We have different kinds of blending modes is there, from multiply, color burn, linear burn. You can check whichever is fine. Right now for this image, overlay blending mode is fine for this image. I am going to add some smoke effect to the image. Whatever we have done for the woman image, we have to do the same pattern here. Using the quick selection tool, I am selecting the smoke alone in the image. Using the select subject tool, I am selecting only the smokes alone. It will take some time to select the each of the subjects. If you want the better results, you have to take some time in the selection range, match the selection of the subject. Now I am happy with the selection part. I think this one is fine for now. Okay, looks good now. Okay, I am going to select and mask the smoke, and I'm using here the view mode in black and white and removing the unwanted selection lines. You can cross check with the overlay also, but black and white is the perfect one. I am happy with the selection, so I am increasing the smoothness as well as contrast. Fine. Now I am going to layer mask this one and click OK. Now here we got the smoke selection, so we need to convert this to convert layers because it's in a smart object. I am moving the smoke below the color fill. I am converting the smart object of the smoke image into the layers. To move the clouds, so I am moving the clouds to the top. I am rotating the clouds. I am moving the color fill layer above the image. I am going to move the smoke image below the woman, and I am going to create a clipping mask for hue and saturation, black and white and brightness. I am going to duplicate the smoke image now. Command J in Mac, Control J in Windows. Move the duplicate clouds and cover the footpath of the woman using with the clouds. We have to cover these areas also with the clouds. and duplicate another duplicate for the right hand side. I'm duplicating the top portion and using the flip flop I'm joining the clouds. Same I'm doing for the bottom clouds also. I can, using the selection mask, we can remove the unwanted clouds also. Here itself we can do. And using the subtraction tool, remove the unwanted areas. While in selection process and subtraction process and all, you should have some patience for the better results. You can zoom in and check whether we have to do any corrections in the selection. I think this is fine now. Okay. Okay, I'm going to turn on the color fill layer. Wow, we got the better results. I'm going to change the color value. I'm not happy with this color, so I'm going to change some little light blue color because I want the clouds to be natural. Because I want the smoke has to be natural, and I'm going to type the text here with my favorite Gautam font, Stay Fit. I think this text is matches with this image, and center the text. I think the image looks good now. Super, right. We got a better results. I hope you like this video. Please like this video and subscribe the channel.